let's wait. Now this is the real beast, real beauty of Vasant Vihar. Literally guys, I had planned to show you some scenic beauties, but traffic has destroyed my mood. I don't know why the police can't manage the traffic in highly secured area. So hello guys, good afternoon and welcome to my channel. So in this motor vlog I will be covering the area from Sanchi Stupa till Vasant Vihar. So I hope my audio is clear in this video, and we will be covering some areas which are related to Lutyens Delhi and Central Delhi, and definitely guys I will give you scenic beauties on both sides of the road, and you will definitely enjoy this motor vlog. So stay tuned and stay with me. So this is the Indraprasth Park. Now the main part of this road is that your speed limit is below 50 kilometers per hour, and you have to ride very slowly in this area because there are many CCTV cameras here which are installed. And do you know why this motor vlog will be interesting? Because you will see many tourist places. For example, Pragati Maidan, which is called Bharat Mandapam, and India Gate, which is also a tourist place, and diplomatic enclave of Chanakyapuri, where embassies of all big countries are there, and also the Moti Bagh, where the rich government employees live. So this is the railway bridge in front of you, and on left hand side you have a Pragati Maidan underpass. So it's a winter time, and definitely it's cold here. And 3 years ago, in the year 2022, I started motor vlogging, but unfortunately I had to stop it because I was not getting views and I was demotivated. So again, this Pragati Maidan I'm entering, and this was the area 3 years ago where I started my vlogging journey, and I hope this time I will be successful in my motor vlogging. I need your blessing a lot. Unfortunately guys, in this area the speed limit is around 30 kilometers per hour, but hardly anyone follows, and in the evening time you have lot of rush time. But today guys, why there is a rush? I think there is an India Gate, that's why. And you can see the paintings or else artwork on left and both right hand side of the road. I wish I can surpass this traffic, and I literally hate this traffic. I don't know why guys, people should rest in their home rather than spending time in this chilling weather and in the winter season. And you have e-rickshaw, as you saw in the previous clip. Since India Gate is coming, that's why you have lot of traffic here. Imagine what level of traffic would be in the India Gate. And on my lenses there is a lot of fog, and visibility is very poor when I am riding motorcycle, and I don't like passing through or making cuts. It really annoys me, but we don't have any other options. So guys, finally some level of relief, but it will be for few minutes only because it is a new year, and it will be very difficult for me to again cope up with the traffic. I was really pissed off in the traffic. So guys, I hope I will get some empty roads like this, and it is a waste of time in the traffic, and I don't hope I will get such empty roads in Delhi. This is the Central Delhi, and many people call it as a Lutyens zone. On left hand side you have a Jindal's house. It is the businessman's house. It is one of the super rich families of India. And on left hand side you have a Meghalaya house. You can see the scenic beauties of not only roads but also the houses. Single story house on left hand side. It is an APJ Abdul Kalam lane. I need to switch on my Google Maps so that I can reach the destination properly. This is a Jodhpur house where many painting exhibitions are held, and it's a Nagaland house. I need to check whether I would be able to reach Vasant Vihar in this heavy traffic. Let's hope for the best. On right hand side you have Prime Minister's house, and on left hand side you have Army's area. Both are highly secured area, and still you have a traffic here. It's very much a shame. I don't know why the police can't manage the traffic in highly secured area. I can definitely say that they are enjoying free salaries. And this is one of the super rich and super exclusive area called Chanakyapuri. You have many embassies here. And in front of you is the Ashoka Hotel and also a Samrat Hotel. It's a part of Ashoka Hotel branch. And you have a fountain area in front of you. I don't even know whether my video is recording or not. I'm just blabbering and saying things. Again, the army camp on left hand side, and Ashoka Hotel. My face mask has been slipping a lot. Half of the time I was adjusting my face mask. Again my face mask got slipped. There is no chance that there would be any rash drivers here, since traffic is heavy here. And I need to take some other route because I'm fed up of this route of Latens Delhi. And these guys are without helmet. They should be penalized heavily, I guess. Guys, this is the embassy area of Chanakyapuri. It is also called Diplomatic Enclave of Central Delhi. And people take route to reach Karol Bagh here. And this is Australian High Commission. Again police. Come on man, just go. Why are you in this early? And this is the Shanti Path, the diplomatic area, and it is a no flying zone. And on the right hand side you have US Embassy. So guys, my audio was not being recorded because face mask was slipping a lot. So in front of you is a car which is almost empty and single person is riding. On left hand side you have Poland Embassy. Left hand side you have Motiwag railway station. While reaching the Vasant Vihar, you will be watching some very beautiful and super rich apartments. This is the new Motiwag on left hand side. Let me tell you guys, history is repeating a lot. 3 years ago I was in the same road and recording the same videos, but at that time there was no audio. Guys, if you support, this is the air slinker for bad AQI. And guys, let me tell you, if you support me well, I will buy a good camera and also a good microphone so that you have a good audio. So this area is South Moti Bagh and it is located in South Delhi. And now I'm heading towards RK Puram. The first sector which I will be touching is sector 12. It is on left hand side, and on right hand side you have South Moti Bagh, also known as Nanakpura. And you have embassies of many countries on right hand side. I wish someday I will show you the embassies of these countries. My brain would be bursting a lot while editing this video, because half of the time I would be editing only the traffic areas and disturbances plus the slipping of my mic. Look how slowly people are moving. Stupid people. If you have got green signal, why don't you move quickly? In what earth you are living, man? On left hand side you have RK Puram sector 9. These are also government quarters, and I promise I would shoot a vlog here also and show you beautiful apartments. I wish I can cross this green signal also. And yes, thankfully it was 40 seconds and I was able to cross. Again people are stopping here. Oh man, please go man. And on left hand side you have RK Puram Sector 8 government quarters. Also I will shoot a vlog here once in a while. And we are heading towards Kendriya Vidyalaya, RK Puram Sector 8. So this is the government quarters, end of the government quarters, and I will be showing you Sector 8 RK Puram Kendriya Vidyalaya, which is also called Central School. So this is the premises, auto premise of Sector 8 RK Puram Kendriya Vidyalaya. So this is the main gate. Now I will be taking the service lane and heading towards Vasant Vihar. So this is the Olof Palme Marg, and Rautula Ram flyover is ending here. On left hand side you have a petrol pump of RK Puram Sector 8, and again the government quarters which are type 2 special, and these are independent bungalows of Vasant Vihar. And let me tell you guys, if my and in between I have to show you again this beautiful apartment. And let me tell you guys, if my mic slipped away due to my headscarf and also my face mask, then again I need to shoot water vlog again. Do you know guys, we have got green signal but still people are moving like a crocodile. I hope the green signal will be there. And yes, and this vlog will be a treat because you will be seeing the beautiful apartments of Vasant Vihar. Let's wait. Now this is the real beast, real beauty of Vasant Vihar. So super rich. And this is the, I think, C block market. And on both sides of the roads you will see the super rich apartments. Again, I don't have words to describe such beautiful apartments which are here. In front of you, I guess, is the modern school Vasant Vihar. Let me know in the comment section. And some guys are there without helmet. Lithuanian embassy, and on right hand side you will be seeing the embassy of South Africa. I think this is also an embassy car, but it is moving like a crocodile, a tortoise. Take a motorcycle, man. On left hand side you have embassy of Ecuador, again embassy of Lithuania. These are under construction apartments. And this is the Sham Kutir, one of the best apartments, and also the bungalows of South Delhi. This is embassy of Morocco on right hand side. Embassy of Peru on right hand side, and Shankar Kendriya Vidya on left hand side. Just enjoy the guys instead of my commentary. Just see the beauty. This is the scenic beauty. And Timor-Leste embassy also on right hand side. The embassy of Azerbaijan is on right hand side, and Vasant Vihar Club is on left hand side. Well guys, you don't need my commentary to show the beauty of these apartments and these bungalows. You only need your eyes to look at these apartments. On right hand side you have embassy of Mozambique. So we are heading towards Mirka Marg. On left hand side you have MTNL office, and on left hand side also you have embassy of Nicaragua and Panama. On the right hand side you had Air India colony, but now it is closed since Air India is taken by a private entity. Again the embassy area, embassy of Niger. You have Munirka Marg, lot number 13, and embassy of El Salvador on left hand side. Such a beast and such a heaven on this planet. And you have a Gurudwara, Vasant Vihar Gurudwara. The embassy of Argentina is on left hand side if you enter from this area and this gate. So I am just near the Vasant Vihar Park, which is Priya Park. After a lot of struggles I've been reaching here. Imagine what a pain while riding in the Delhi traffic. It is really a mental torture. And now I have to end my motor vlog here. Hope you like my motor vlog. Please like and comment below.